Hello, it's the Dazzling One teaching tips and tricks to the everyday girl. I'll get your gorgeous to you. In today's video, I am so excited to show you a few of the amazing products that have launched for the holiday season 2021. Let's get started. Returning product, but now it's going to be in our regular line. It's called our Fanarama Mascara. Okay, now this mascara is it on one of my eyes. You can see I have mascara on one eye and on the other. Now it's really going to be tough to see this because it already has mascara on it, but the cool thing about this is that it has an hourglass shape, the brush on one side. And what you can do with that is I'm gonna do this side so you can see, is you put the product pretty much on the base of your lash in that hourglass sign. Then you turn it and comb the mascara through your lashes. Then you take the tip of the brush, and sometimes it'll have a little product on the tip, and I just wipe that off, and then you go through and you fan the mascara through lashes. It's tough because I'm not holding a mirror, so I'm just kind of using the camera to try to do it. So it is in the Lash Love family, like our Lash Love Waterproof, Lash Love Lengthening, and just Lash Love. But it does lashes make some a little more incredible. So that is our Fanarama Mascara, and that is launched now, but it's going to stay part of our regular line of mascara, because at one point we had it, and for a limited time I fell in love with it. And as many of our customers and consultants, and we all wanted it back, and they brought it back, which was super duper duper exciting. So that's the Lash Love Mascara in Fanarama, and it's super duper awesome. Product I want to show you is we got 3 at Play products that came out. 2 are the same type of product, and 1 is a little different, and so there they are there. Now the first thing I want to show you is our at Play highlighting stick. This is super duper awesome. Now I've already highlighted today, but I'm going to show you just how you can use it. It's super duper creamy and gold. It's called Rose Gold. So it is in a stick. It does crank up like this, and there's a lot in there. So I'm going to show you on my hand. It's always tough. I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you to see. So there that is there. And I think I'm going to put, because I've already highlighted, I should have not done that so you could see. I'm just going to put a little there, and then you just take your finger and apply that and kind of rub that in just a little wee bit. I'll just do a little bit there because like I said, I already highlighted. Okay, with my glazed. So beautiful, beautiful color, as you can see. Very beautiful. So that is our at Play highlighting stick. It just comes in this one color, and it is a limited edition product. So if it's something that you like, it makes highlighting super easy. You just draw your lines on. It's super creamy, super beautiful, and just kind of use your finger, or you could use a sponge and just kind of, smooth it in a little bit. And so this is the highlighting stick, and it's the at Play in at Play family, and it is Rose Gold. 2 products I want to show you are our liners, okay? And one is silver, which I'm holding in my hand, and the other is copper, which I am wearing today. And I'm going to move close, line my eyes with the copper. And the cool part about it is I'm going to show you a way there like this. And I'm going to show you, anytime you're dealing with anything that's metallic, you always want to really make sure you shake it up. And there's like the little balls in there. You shake them up. And then I'm going to do a line of both. What I like about these is not just the colors of them. So here's this guy. I'm going to go that way. It's more of a firm, I don't know, can you see it? Yeah, there you go. It's more of a firm brush. So if you're a person that's just kind of starting out using liquid liner, it's more firm, so it's not so, so it gives you, I feel like that's going to give you a lot more control. And then the silver, which is beautiful. I'm going to go this way. Thin lines or thick lines, whatever you want. Super beautiful. Silver, rose gold, copper, and silver. And they're all at play. These will make wonderful stocking stuffers. They're going to be wonderful. You can wear them by themselves. You can wear them together. We saw one of the Mary Kay makeup artists. She had taken one color and did half of her eye, her lid, and then did the other. You could do one up top, one in the bottom. Over the weekend, I was kind of I rocked some of the silver, but I did black liner underneath with the mechanical Mary Kay pencil. It's unlimited. Whatever you want to create, you can, and they're super affordable. Again, they are limited edition. If you like them, get them now, because once they're gone, they're gone. Now, the next two things I want to talk about are the two new lip kits. Okay, these are awesome. Now, one is cinnamon and the rose pink. So what I am wearing today is the cinnamon, okay? And the cool part about it is it's like getting two different lips in one kit. So I'm going to show you the one, well, you can see I'm wearing the cinnamon. Each lip kit comes with the matte lipstick, okay, the oil. So here's the cinnamon, which I'm wearing right now. And it has, I didn't put the oil on it because I wanted to show you by putting the oil. And say you want to just wear the matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, you can do that. Say you want to just rock your natural day, you threw your CC cream, you got a little bit of mascara on, just want a little bit of the lip oil, you can just wear it by itself. And in the holiday magazine, the girl is wearing it actually on the cover with just, she's wearing the copper liner and she's wearing just the lip oil. So other color is the rose pink. So you got the cinnamon, try to hold those up so you can see. You got the cinnamon and you got the rose pink. And I'm going to swatch them both on my hand so you can see. So it does have a doe foot applicator, like a lip gloss. Matte lipsticks, they're super duper creamy and they dry down with a matte finish, but it doesn't have like that dry, like, I got the matte look, but my lips are so dry, like I feel like they're gonna crack. None of them are like that. And then here's the pink. We'll be doing looks with the other one that I'm not wearing. So there is those two colors. Look at those, aren't they beautiful? So if you're doing super fancy things with your eyes, that's why I chose the cinnamon, because I felt like I had a lot going on with my eyes and my highlighter and everything. I feel like a more softer look worked out perfect. But hey, if you want to be full all up and down, do your thing. That's you. So again, those are cinnamon and rose pink. Again, they are limited edition. When they sell out, they're gone. And then the oil it has like a see, like a little, I don't know if you can see that little applicator. Maybe if I don't, maybe if I show this side of my arm, you can see it better than my hand, since it's okay. So that is that applicator. Just show you the oil. So there's the oil, it's clear. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of the oil and I'm gonna add it to my lips. Now I put a little amount on there. If you want it super, like say you like a super shiny look, I'm gonna add just a little more. Like, say you like a high gloss. So that's it. So those are our new products.